This is a summary review of some of the changes in ADS 1.2.72. This release improves the mesh to ArcTube conversion tool. It's a lot more robust and includes some new features. We have an example chassis that was modeled in mesh objects with the geometry for the surface and wall thickness and coped edges. I can now select the mesh objects and click on the conversion tool. And it's going to go through each tube and make a conversion to the arc object. Once it's done, we can review. Some of them will fail, but in general, the conversions are a lot more accurate. So I'm going to pull one off to take a look. You can see in the objects, it's going to grab the notch profile if it can. In this case, we've got two coped edges. And the tube, in some cases, will have extra points just by the end. If the geometry looks okay, you can delete them. One of the other features in the ArcTube editor, if I double click or select the edit under the menu, is I can select one of the object's midpoint, hold down the shift key, and it will snap to either the X or the Y axis. And additionally, I can select one of the ends, and I can normally drag it around, but I can also hold down the shift key, and it's going to snap the same angle. I can select the endpoint, hold the shift key, and drag it along the same line. Let's take a look at this one. I can delete that point. So in some cases, the tube that it converts may be too short. So I can select the tube, I can hold the shift key down, and I can drag it into the intersection, in which case I'll have enough material for the notch to cover. And I don't have to worry about alignment because it keeps the geometry the same. And that's it for this update.